Welcome to Jamaica.
Tower, continue operation 825. 217. 217. On a Tuesday of vacate via Charlie, going to your contact zone 1217.
Charlie 1217, come on, transfer help, sir.
2126, wind calm, clear to land on 825. 2565, tower question.
2565, ready for departure.
565, transfer the whole site on 825, and confirm you need the full length or you'll take the intersection at Alpha?
We'll need the full length, 25, WestJet 2565.
Full site on 87.
WestJet 2565. JetBlue 279 approaching Duveg 4000.
279, thanks for tower, continue approaching 25, reduce approach speed, have that aircraft to depart.
To approach speed for departing aircraft, clear the RMP 25, JetBlue 279.
2565, enter the runway back at runway 25.
At 25, WestJet 2565.
On a 24 vacate via taxi with Charlie and contact gun 1217.
Hey Charlie, and over to ground, get out of there. 2126, thanks for help.
2565, wind calm, and 8 clear to take off runway 25. Traffic 8 mile final, runway 25.
25, WestJet 2565.
Reduce approach speed.
To approach speed, W279.
522 Tango Tower.
Teacher, go ahead.
Firm full length lift.
Affirm full length, JetBlue 522.
Okay, 522.
Full length short, 25, JetBlue 522.
Over 525.
Bravo American, Trooper, Trooper, RMP 25.
2279 here. We're in the Tom, clear to land runway 25.
Runway 25, JetBlue 279.
2234 Frankfurt Tower, continue approach runway 25.
North American, Trooper, Trooper.
120, that's small 8.
Small 8, we're JetBlue 525.
On a 27 vehicle, we are Charlie, contact ground 1217.
Here, Charlie, 1217, JetBlue 279. Office 1831, we are on the RNAV RNP 25.
2234, wind calm, clear to land runway 25.
Alright, total line 25, American 3234.
C1 Frankfurt Tower, continue approach runway 25.
Continuing 25, Southwest 1831.
One up 40 vacate. We are Charlie, contact ground 1217.
Here at Charlie, 217, American 3234.
It's 1831 wind, clear to land runway 25.
Land 25, Southwest 21.
391163, RMP 25, reducing to minimum approach speed.
And the 163 Frankfurt Tower, continue approach runway 25.
25, 911.
I have one more to come in and then I'll get you off. Stand by.
JetBlue 522, address.
One 1831 on and 42 vacate via Delta. Contact ground 1217.
Vacate via Delta and ground Southwest 1831.
That's landing clearance for 1163.
1163. We're in the calm, clear to land, runway 25.
And 25, United 1163.
Continue approach runway 25. To enter runway, back traffic 25.
Track 25, JetBlue 522.
217.
Roll the Delta and over to ground, 291, 122.
Clear for takeoff on your 25.
25, JetBlue 522.
The 1193 wind 210 careful line on your 25.
25, clear to land, JetBlue 1193.
Airborne 46, radar 120, decimal 8.
That's all right, JetBlue 522, good day.
115, thanks for power. What's that on your 25?
25 was at 2915.
Report to the frequency.
RMP25.
1042, thanks for power, continue approach on your 25.
Can you approach runway 25, Southwest 1042?
I'm going to see on a 4A basic via Delta, contact zone 1217.
Via Delta, JetBlue 1193. You want that JetBlue 1193 over there?
17. 1042, wind 280, clear to land on your 25.
Land runway 25, Southwest 1042. on the RNAV, RMP 25.
1115, thanks for tower. Continue approach on your 25, reduce the minimum.
Speed and continue to approach Southwest 1150.
Can 127 enter back tax on your 25.
Track runway 25, American 1226.
Your 251 vehicles via Delta, when clear contact zone 1217.
Via Delta 1217, Southwest 1014.
Lima.
Read the 270 Delta takeoff runway 25 at Charlie, early escape.
Runway 25, intersection Charlie, approve early left, 6 November Lima.
227 stand by departure. The aircraft departing from Charlie. Stand by.
Standing by.
Continue approach on 25, expect late landing clearance.
Canadian Southwest 1115.
Then 1337 for the immediate takeoff on 25. Thanks for power, continue approach on 25.
Approach, what do you land this time?
Continue approach on 25. Delta takeoff runway 25.